Join me as I reveal how strategic landscaping can help captivate buyers without depleting your savings account. I'm here to guide you through some of the cost-effective landscape enhancements that you can make sure that your home stands out in the spring market. So let's dive in. Begin with a path to your front door. A clear and inviting pathway not only welcomes visitors, but also draws the eye. Use affordable materials like mulch or pea gravel or stepping stones for a quick update. Ensure the pathway is well defined and free of any obstructions or overgrown vegetation. Next, focus on your planters and landscaping beds. Refreshing these can dramatically improve your curb appeal. Consider repurposing old containers or purchasing cost-effective new containers to plant vibrant flowers in. In garden beds, mulch is your best friend. It's inexpensive and instantly tidies up the space while also suppressing the weeds. Select plants that offer maximum impact with minimal maintenance. Perennials like daylilies, ornamental grasses, or hardy shrubs offer a great pop of color and texture and really visually enhance your landscaping and curb appeal. Group these plants together in odd numbers to make it look more natural and aesthetically pleasing. As always, when selling your home, lighting is a key element and should not be overlooked. Solar path lights or a well-placed spotlight can really enhance your home's appearance at dusk, highlighting the architectural features in landscaping efforts. These solar options are not only inexpensive, but also extremely easy to install. And that's it. With these strategic updates, your home's curb appeal is going to soar, attracting more potential home buyers at first glance. These simple, budget-conscious enhancements are not only about beautification, they're also just a smart investment that will drive up the marketability of your home and hopefully the sales price. If you plan on implementing any of these tips and tricks into your preparation for selling your home in this coming spring market, please give me a like and a share and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.